What's up, everybody? This video is how to find trucking insurance, where to find it, and who to use. How do you find the right partner to help you find trucking insurance? And this is an important thing because there's a lot of people in the insurance industry that honestly, they pry on truckers because the premium is a little bit higher, and they honestly don't know anything about trucking, so they can't really add you value other than just getting you a quote. And those are the partners that you really don't want to work with, because as you scale your business, your insurance agent should be able to scale with you. And what I mean is they should be a resource in your corner, just like a CPA is. If you're a business owner and you have a successful business, you use a CPA, and you want your CPA to be able to know how to handle a business with just yourself, all the way up to when you have 25 to 50 to 100 employees. Sometimes you have to change relationships, and it's the same thing with your insurance partner. Sometimes you have to have, you have to change, and it's always an erroneous process, and it gets tiring. But I'm going to share with you today of how you can evaluate, not for my personal gain, because I'm located in Indianapolis, Indiana, and we help trucking companies in Indiana and over in Colorado. But majority of, if you're watching this video, highly likely, you're probably not located in my state. So I'm not trying to sell to you. I'm trying to help you evaluate the relationship. And the first thing you want to do is you want to look at the experience of the insurance agency. Do they specialize in trucking, or are they saying, yeah, we can do that. We can do that. We've done that in the past. And I think the biggest thing is you're asking them, do you currently work with trucking companies? How does that process work for you? And do you have experience, sitting down and knowing the trucking industry? And if they do, then that's good. Continue past the next step. But the next step after that is, do you have experience with the coverage of trucking? Do you have experience of, hey, do you know what I need? I have, I'm going to have videos about filings and MCS 90 and the different required coverages that a trucking company needs to have. And you need to make sure that your agent knows that, because you may pull in to go pick up a load and you found out, oh, I don't have the insurance that I need. I don't have the insurance that they're requesting, and he's got to figure out how to do that. So working with somebody who's experienced, who's done it before, knows the coverage. I always say, do they have letters behind their name? Does your agent have letters behind his name? If he doesn't, it doesn't mean he's not experienced. Doesn't mean he doesn't know what he's doing. But having letters behind your name is a huge thing of, this guy took the effort to understand coverage. CPCU, CLCS, Commercial Lines Coverage Specialist, TRS, Trucking Risk Specialist. So all those are really good things to have. So make sure they're experienced, make sure they're somewhat local to you, because you want to be able to either go in their office and ask them questions and sit with them, or you can have a phone call. But the biggest thing is, another thing, make sure they have a dedicated service person for you, because every place may request a certificate of insurance. That is basically a page that says you have coverage in existence, and it's signed by the agent or the carrier. So a lot of these trucking operations, brokerages, and places where you're dropping off loads, they are going to request a certificate of insurance. If your agent cannot supply those in a timely manner, you may have to wait at the dock until you get that certificate of insurance. Sometimes they want to be named as the additional insureds. So you got to have an agent who's like, hey, let me know where you're at. I can get it. I'll get it to you really quick, really fast. Because if they're not going to be fast, if they're not going to be dedicated, and this is just another account for them, they are not going to understand the full extent of what it takes to write a trucking account. So you're starting a trucking company, you got a fleet, or you're a big trucking company, it's all the same. You should be working with a partner who can manage your business, and they can help you out and find ways to make you successful. So hopefully this video helps you out, and if it does, go ahead and like it, and feel free to subscribe. I'm going to share a lot of videos about trucking insurance and different coverage options that hope to add value to you. Thanks.